Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty. Hey, back with another banger. Hey, so a question that I often get asked, right, is should you be trading Forex every single day? Now, look, I feel like you should be trading when you see the opportunity, right, to take the trade that it is that you're looking for. So, whatever those trades are that fit your current trading plan, that's when you should be trading. Is that every single day? Maybe you're a scalper, maybe that you're looking for short-term opportunities, short-term gains, and yes, you do get to the market or come to the market every single day, hit your goal and keep moving. Maybe you're a swing trader and you're looking for longer term results. Okay, and then you're trading a lot differently than that. Maybe you're trading or putting in a trade, every few days, every few weeks, every few months, however it is, like I said, once again, that it fits your trading plan, and you can make this trading thing work for you and adjust to your schedule. And that's what's so cool about Forex, is that it allows you to have and create that type of freedom for yourself. Maybe you already have that type of freedom and you're just looking for extra income. This is the saving account that can bring you back the best type of interest. Maybe you're looking for an alternative way to make money, because you don't like the current way that you're making money. Well, you have to once again make this thing work for you. So maybe the trading that you want to do doesn't fit within the schedule that you have. And I mean, I would say change your schedule. You're like, well, what do you mean change your schedule? Well, you could be waking up earlier or going to sleep later. Okay, so there's different opportunities. There's different sessions that the foreign exchange market will allow you to come in and actually trade if you just adjust to those sessions and adjust to those times. Okay, so once again, the Forex stuff, once you learn how to read, that's the simple part of the game. The next thing is the psychology. It's, learning when and when you shouldn't be trading. Because every day, or not all the time, should you be taking a trading opportunity, because it's just not there. Sometimes the market is in consolidation, and there's just nothing going on. So you could try to force a move, but why would you try to force a move? This is the money game where, you literally get paid for being lazy here. This is the game where you get paid for being lazy, where you get paid for sitting back and doing nothing. Everybody says, oh, I want to, get paid for sitting back and making money in my sleep. This is the way where you can actually make money in your sleep. If you just, adjust your schedule, or if not adjust your schedule, then adjust your trading plan to fit the current schedule or type of trading or type of income that you're looking for. Okay. So, I mean, you can create passive income opportunities through investing, if you want, if you like. Okay. But once again, like I said, just, getting back on the question at hand, should you be trading every single day? My answer is you should be, once again, trading for whatever it is that fits your trading plan. All right, I'm not going to drag this video out, make this a long, crazy video, because it doesn't even take all that. It's a simple question. It's a simple question that's been answered. You know what I mean? And once again, I feel like, just to reiterate, once you see your opportunity again, take it. That's one trade. Get it out the way. It's one shot. You can look at this game in many ways. I always compare Forex trading to basketball because of the amount of shots that, a basketball player takes in the game. Even if Steph Curry misses a shot, he's not going to sit there and complain and cry about the one shot that he misses. A whole game to go, that's going on. So he's going to continue playing throughout that whole game. This coach knows, man, if this man is, he know his player, he like, yo, shit, if Steph missing, let me sit him down real quick and, let's readjust what's going on the field. Let's talk about it. You feel me? His teammates be like, hey, man, you stick to the right side real quick, man. There's no pressure over there. You'll be able to find you an open shot. You know what I'm saying? But maybe that's you taking a break for the whole day. And I'm saying for basketball, it's that type of game. But for this game, you're playing the game of time. Okay, so once again, it's your boy Ty, man. You can follow me on all my socials and stuff. My Instagram is Championship Ballin'. The reason I have to drop my Insta is because they keep making so many now. So it's just like, I have one Instagram. Well, I have two Instagrams. My Tyllionaire _ Instagram, and then my Championship Ballin' Instagram. Okay, so those are only two that I operate. I'm usually on that Championship Ballin' one. I haven't posted on my Tyllionaire Instagram in so long. All right. I'm on Spotify and stuff like that. If you guys are looking for dope music, just look up my name, Tyllionaire, and come rock with your boy. You dig? So once again, there's some dope Forex psychology. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'm out of here. Peace.